Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel Random Facts by Shikha. In today's video we will know 10 quick facts on Hindustan Unilever.
Before starting the video, would request you to please like, share and subscribe to my YouTube channel.
Hindustan Unilever is an Indian consumer goods and is a subsidiary of British company Unilever. It was founded in 1993 and is headquartered in Mumbai, Maharashtra. Its product line includes foods and beverages, cleaning product, personal care product, water purifiers, and fast-moving consumer goods. The company is listed on Bombay Stock Exchange, National Stock Exchange and Nifty. Company was founded as Hindustan Vanaspati Manufacturing Co, and after a merger in 1956 it was renamed as Hindustan Lever Limited. Later in June 2007 it was renamed as Hindustan Unilever Limited. The very recent and impactful merger by HUL was in 2020 of GSK Consumer Healthcare, whose products are Horlicks and Boost, to name a few. HUL is the market leader in India with over 20 consumer categories like soaps, tea, detergent and shampoos amongst others, with over 700 million Indian consumers using its products. 16 brands of HUL featured in AC Nielsen brand equity list of 100 most trusted brands annual survey in 2014, a supplement of the Economic Times. It has over 21,000 employees as on year 2020. HUL recorded a revenue of $5.7 billion in 2020.
If you like the video, then please don't forget to hit that like button, share it with your friends and subscribe to the channel.